Let us try to take this piece for a second. Let us try to zoom in and understand what exactly is happening here behind the scenes. For sure, it is not as simple as what I had mentioned earlier. There is quite a bit of complexity behind this piece. Okay, let me explain it. Earlier, step 1, I did create an account record. Followed by that, I did create an opportunity record and then a quote record. Followed by that, the product that I have added to the quote was cloud storage. Now it all makes sense when Salesforce creates a subscription record for cloud storage, because cloud storage is going to have month on month renewal or year on year renewal. But what if I choose a product which is a laptop or hard disk or GPU? Because organizations like Salesforce will not pay month on month renewals or subscriptions for one time purchases, because laptops and hard drives, they are one time purchase products. There will not be any subscription or there will not be any renewal for these products. In that case, what exactly is Salesforce CPQ going to do? Will Salesforce CPQ create a subscription record for a laptop product as well, or is it going to do anything different? Instead of explaining it, let us try to understand this by doing a hands-on. Real quick, let me try to go back to the same account record that I have created earlier. I will try to create a new opportunity, and followed by that, I'll repeat this whole end-to-end flow again. But this time, I'm going to pick a product which is a one-time purchase product. So back to the account record, I'll create a new opportunity record. I'm going to click on new. And this here is going to be 100 plus laptops. Close date is going to be maybe end of this month because it is a simple opportunity. Type is upgrade. Lead source is web. Stage is prospecting. I'm not interested in the rest of the other fields. I'm going to go ahead, click on save. There you go. The opportunity record is created. Let me navigate back to the opportunity record. And then I'm going to create a new quote record. Let me pick the opportunity record. This is going to be 100 plus laptops. Account is going to be Salesforce INC. Status for now is going to be draft. I'm going to just leave it like that. I'll mark this as a primary quote. Click on save. The master quote is created for this opportunity. And then I'll change the status. As I had mentioned earlier, we will never try to modify this manually. With the help of approval process, we'll get the field updated. Click on save. So the quote is approved. And followed by that, we have to order it. But before that, I need to add products. So I'm going to click on edit lines. This is going to take me back to QLE screen. Let me pick the price book, which is going to be standard price book. And then I'm going to click on products. Last time I went ahead and I have picked a product which is eligible for subscription. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pick a product which is going to be a one-time purchase product. Let's say I'm interested in a 15-inch laptop. Click on select. The next screen is going to be configuring the product. I'm not interested in configuring it. Neither am I interested in figuring out how can I customize the screen. I'll just put it simple. Much later, we'll try to understand everything related to quote line editor. I'm going to click on save. In case you're interested, you can add a couple of other products as well, but make sure that you're picking up one-time purchase products. The moment I have added the product, it is going to add some other components as well. For time being, just give a blind eye to it. Let me add another product. Here I'm going to say charger. I'm going to pick this and click on select. So I have added two products now. This here is called a bundled product, meaning you'll add a product and this product is going to have a lot of other line items bundled within it. It is going to add all the line items. And likewise, this here is a standalone product, meaning this product is not further classified. With this information in place, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to click on save. I can also add some discount, but for time being, I'm going to put it simple. So just to give you a recap, I have added two products. Both the products are one-time purchase products. However, one product is a standalone product, meaning there is no other subclassification of this product. And the second one is a bundled product, meaning you have added the bundled product, and this in turn is showing us the components or subproducts of this main product. So the quote is created, and then when I navigate to related list, you'll be a bit surprised to see how Salesforce created or organized the quote line items. There you go. I have 5 quote line items. This was the actual main product. Because this is a bundled product, because it has got other sub products, it added one line item for each and every product as well as sub product. Whereas this one was a standalone product, meaning it is not further subclassified. So there is only one line item for it. Back to the quote record. And then I'll order it. Click on save. Make sure the quote is the primary quote and also the status is approved. This is the primary quote. Status is approved. I went ahead and I've ordered it. Looks like it is not updated properly. Let me do it again. There you go. The quote is ordered now. And here you'll find orders as 1. There you go. Order is 1. Let me go back to the order record. You'll find the order line items. The 5 quote line items are cloned and order line items are created. Let me activate the order. And followed by that, I'll check the checkbox which is contracted. Click on save. There you go. Now you'll see that contracts is still 0. Before that, just be doubly sure that you have checked this checkbox. So what just happened? I did check this checkbox and I did save the record. However, earlier it went ahead and it created a contract record, but now I don't see a contract record. And why is that? Because these are one-time purchase products. There will not be any monthly renewals or yearly subscriptions involved, because of which there is no need to create a contract. Rather, what happens is, if you go back to the associated account, which is nothing but the customer record, if you notice assets, there will be 5 assets. And to your surprise, these are nothing but the products that you have added in quote line item. And what is the takeaway from this? Whenever you add a product, which is a subscription based product, then a contract will be created. Under the contract, subscription will be created. However, when you add a product, which is a one-time purchase product, then a contract record will not be created. Rather, they will be added as assets to the customer. Because if an organization like Salesforce purchases these products, then these are the assets of the organization, because of which the products will be added as assets under the customer. Simply put, Salesforce has got 5 assets under their name. Now what happens if you add, let's say, 3 products in the quote line editor? Now you might be thinking, okay, but what happens if I add 3 products in the quote line editor, out of which 2 are one-time purchase products and the other one is a subscription product? Meaning, the question is, under this quote, what if I add products where 2 products are one-time purchase products and 1 product is a subscription based product? In that case, what happens? In that case, once the order is contracted, a contract record will be created. The contract record will be having 1 subscription because you had 1 subscription based product, and under the account you'll find 2 assets. That is because out of the 3 products you had 2 one-time purchase products and 1 subscription product. So Salesforce is going to create a contract record and a subscription record for the subscription product and 2 asset records under the account record. This is how Salesforce CPQ is going to categorize the records. That's all for this episode. I'll call it a day. See you in the next one.